Okay, now I wasn't expecting to make this video at all, but this is an urgent update regarding the creation of comics, ebook comics for children. Well, the last video we were talking about using Comic Life 2, wonderful software, and you get 30 free days. And blow me down, Amazon have just announced, or at least just a few short days ago, whilst making these series of videos for you, Amazon have announced some brand new comic creator software, calling it Kindle Comic Creator. It was a free tool, and this is what's essential to know. It's a free tool, whereas Comic Creator is 30 free days and then you pay. This tool is free for authors and publishers to turn their comics, graphic novels and manga into great looking Kindle books. Okay, brand new and it's free. It's well worth taking a look at. So let's go over and look at a bit more information. And the page, which I'll put the page for downloading this free software, Kindle Comic Creator software, is amazon.com/KC2, and I'll put that in your resources section, of course. And I just want to play you this little video that they've created, which will fill in the blanks as to what Comic Creator can do for you.
Customers love the guided navigation experience of Kindle Panel View for reading comics and graphic novels. And now, creating comics and graphic novels with Kindle Panel View just got easier. We're pleased to announce the launch of Kindle Comic Creator. We've made it fast, easy, and free for authors and publishers to turn their comics and graphic novels into Kindle books. Let me show you. After you've downloaded and installed Kindle Comic Creator from www.amazon.com/kc2, we open up the application. Here we have the choice to open an existing book or create a new book. Let's start by creating a new book. We have a few new project settings to work through, including book language, original resolution, and orientation. Kindle Panel Views are our customers' preferred reading experience for comics and graphic novels, so this is a default setting for starting a new project. This guided navigation experience helps customers stay immersed in the book and not have to rely on the distractions of pinch or zoom when reading your book. It's important for authors and publishers to know the original resolution of their artwork. This information will be used to maintain the appropriate aspect ratio of your book across all Kindle devices and apps. For this book, the original resolution of the artwork is 600 by 1024. If you would like to learn more about any of these settings, you can click on the question marks or consult the Kindle Comic Creator user guide. After we press continue, we'll enter metadata like title, author, and publisher. We'll also select our cover image and where our project will be saved on our computer. If you make a mistake or need to change a setting, don't worry. You can always go back and adjust. Once we've entered in all our book settings, we're ready to add pages. We can add pages one at a time or select multiple images from the same folder at once. Kindle Comic Creator supports imports from PDF, JPEG, TIFF, PNG, and PPM formats, so that authors are free to create their art in their preferred design tools. Once we've added pages to KC2, we need to set up the guided navigation of Kindle Panel Views. Right-click on the image in the main window and select Detect Panels. This feature inspects the artwork and looks for areas that are good candidates for magnification. You can choose to detect panels on the current page or all pages in the project. Today we will select all pages. This process may take a few minutes depending on the length of your book. Once the auto detect completes, you will notice green boxes marking KC2's recommendation on panel placement. These green boxes indicate regions that will be magnified as customers page swipe through your book. Each green box has a number associated with it. These numbers indicate the order in which the panel will be displayed. Please check each page to validate the regions are where you want them, and in the order you prefer. You can always add, remove, resize, reorder, or change magnification as needed. Once satisfied with the panel placement, it's time to preview your book. This is a great chance to see how your book will look on Kindle devices and apps. From the Build menu, we select Build and Preview. This process again might take some time depending on the length of your book. Once the comic has finished building, Kindle Previewer will automatically open. You can flip through the pages of your book and make sure the Kindle panels are correct. Also, you can adjust the settings to review your book on both e-ink and tablet devices. This validation will ensure that your book will create a good customer experience on Kindle. If you find you need to modify your book, you can always go back into Kindle Comic Creator, make your changes, and return to the Kindle Previewer. You can also review the cover art of your book. Check out this book and others that have been created with Kindle Comic Creator in the Kindle Panel View section of Kindle Store. And that's it. You just created a comic book for Kindle.
Okay, this is important. I really think it's relevant to exactly what we're trying to do, creating children's content that they will love. Clearly, Amazon and their Kindle team are fully behind this concept. They wouldn't have invested huge amounts of money in creating Kindle Comic Creator. So I think it's well worth downloading. It's free, and taking a look at that and making your choice as to which particular platform you wish to use, be it Comic Life 2 or Kindle Comic Creator, and there may be others following along in the wake of these too. But I think Kindle Comic Creator, well worth taking a look and have a play with that. You can't go wrong. It's free, and they're giving it a lot of support, and I think that's what's important, because they are adopting this kind of creativity. So I recommend it.